How to see translation in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to see the translation in Messenger, simply first of all launch the Messenger application. Now select on any profile over here. So here you can see I've selected a different language over here to say hello. So I've sent a different language. Now, if the other person has to see or translate this message, you have to have a Gboard in the keyboard. So if I want to see what this actually means and I want to translate it, I have to have a Gboard downloaded on my device. So when I've downloaded my Gboard, all I have to do is just tap on this message or make a long press and then tap on copy. Now, as you tap on copy, tap on the message box at the bottom, then tap on this four box icon, and here you can see the option of translate. So tap on translate, and here you just have to tap on translate and then paste the word that we have copied, and then tap on the check mark over here. So this means it has been translated and it shows good morning on the text box. So that's how you can say translation in Messenger. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.